The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome, people. Second hour of this radio show. It's now 11:16. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Watch out for their upcoming promo, Stars and Stripes selection. Get ready for the Stars and Stripes selections at Royal Duty Free shops from July 4 to 18. Enjoy up to 20% off on selected imported items. Discover amazing deals and gourmet treats, premium spirits, and more. Celebrate the American Festival with exclusive discounts and elevate your shopping experience. Visit Royal Duty Free shops today and make the most of these fantastic offers. All right? This is in celebration, of course, of the Filipino-American Friendship Day, July 4, and the US of A's Independence Day, July 4, that is. Okay? So check out their social media pages. Also visit the official website, www.royalsubic.com, for more inquiries where the catalog is always posted. And landline hotline number 252-3258 for inquiries. Okay? On with today's holidays and observances. June 28th, 2024. Time flies so fast. Ang bilis, no? Magjo-July na. Okay. June 28 is Drive Your Corvette to Work. I would gladly do that if you would give me a Corvette. Hindi lang June 28. Daily. I'll do that daily. Today is also Body Piercing Awareness Day. June 28. Who has body piercings? What are your body piercings? Nowadays marami, no? Yung may mga body piercing, merong sa ilong. Dati tenga lang 'yan eh. Nagkaroon ng sa belly button, meron sa ilong, meron sa below the lower lip, 'di ba? Meron din nun eh. Even sa edge of the eyebrow, mapa left or right, meron na, may body piercing na rin 'yan. And even on nipples, that must be painful, huh? Diba, there are piercings on nipples. Sa lalaki kadalasan. Even babae, meron din. Today is also International Caps Lock Day. Even on the page I'm reading it at, they really did it in caps lock. What's it for? I don't know. All right. And today is also Lightning Safety Day. All right. Pagka merong mga lightning storms or thunderstorms, stay inside na lang. Oh, delikado. Do you guys know, if ever in case na kung nagkataon lang na you got stuck in the middle of a lightning storm and you're in your vehicle, you're safe inside your vehicle. Do you guys know that? Mm-hmm. It's because of the insulation system of the car and well, the car might get damaged pero you're safe inside. So doon lang kayo sa loob, ha? Okay. And what else? Today is also Food Truck Day. All right. And my favorite food truck at the moment is the food truck of Mang Tomas Lechon Manok, Liampo at iba pa. It's always parked at the Alpha Mart 5 in Santa Rita. All right. Right after the Santa Rita Bridge. Di ba may Alpha Mart doon? Nandoon lagi yung food truck ng Mang Tomas Lechon Manok, Liampo at iba pa. Napakasarap kahit walang sauce. And also today is the Logistics Awareness Day. All right. Also today is the what's this? Parrot Head Day. But what about the rest of the body of the parrot? The head lang ba? International Parrot Head Day daw. Yeah. We had a parrot dati. It talks. O natuto magsalita. Pero it died pa rin kasi hindi naman niya sinabing nagugutom siya eh. So those are the holidays and the observances for today. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, June 28, birthday celebrant si Ate Maui Taylor. Yan, June 28, 1981. She is a singer, actress, model. Sikat na sikat to nung mga late 90s ba yun? Am I right? Si Maui Taylor, yeah. Anong year ba yun? Yung sikat na sikat siya. It's in the 2000s, diba? I don't know. Okay, but yeah, Maui Taylor, diba? Because of that genre of films. Gina Alahar, another TV actress, also director and producer, June 28, 1959. You guys remember Zoraida Sanchez? Alright, no, siya yung subject ni Andrew E pag sa mga movies niya na lalong-lalo na yung humanap ka ng pangit. June 28, 1951. Zoraida Sanchez. Pero she passed away already in 2008. Okay? Comedian, actress. Next up we have, Elon Musk is one of today's birthday celebrants. Yan, Mr. SpaceX. And also Mr. X. Mahilig sa X to, SpaceX yung kanyang space program, and then when he purchased Twitter, pinalitan niya from Twitter to X. Parang layo na wala nang kinalaman Well, X-Twitter nga daw. Now only X. He was born June 28, 1971. Alright? If you believe in the saying, money can't buy you happiness, just look at how rich he is. You're lying to yourself. Presley Smith is one of today's birthday celebrants as well. She is Sunny Baudelaire in the Netflix TV adaptation of A Series of Unfortunate Events. And she turns 9 today. Right? Buti pa to si Sunny. 9 lang. Appearing on TV na mayaman na. And director Mel Brooks. If you guys are familiar with yung mga younger generation, di na alam yung movies ni Mel Brooks Blazing Saddles, The Spaceballs, Robin Hood, Men in Tights. He belongs to an exclusive club of recipients of an Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, and Tony. There you go. That's how good he is. And he was born June 28, 1926. He turns 98 today. Wow! 98. Mukha lang 97, huh? And also actress Kathy Bates, June 28, 1948, turned 76 today. Pat Morita, who will be forever known as Mr. Miyagi in the Karate Kid franchise, right? He was born June 28, 1932. He passed away in 2005. Skateboarder, producer, and TV host Rob Dyrdek. All right, if you're familiar with MTV's Ridiculousness and the Rob and Big, okay, mga MTV shows niya. All right, and he also came up with his own company called the Dyrdek Machine. Rapper Savage, June 28, 1981. Movie actor Jan Cusack, June 28, 1966. And lastly, one of the contestants of American Idol who became really popular pero hindi naman grand winner. Maraming ganyan, maraming hindi grand winner pero they really became popular. Yun, among them, eto nga, si Kelly Pickler, June 28, 1986. Another example of that is Chris Daughtry, di ba? Sabi ka ni Chris Daughtry dati, you don't have to be the grand winner. Sometimes you paano ba yun? Kalimutan ko na yung quote niya. Sometimes you'll never be the grand winner, but you would go on to sell millions of albums and concert tours. O, di ba? Di wag na lang ako maging grand winner if I will be selling millions, di ba? Taray ni Chris Daughtry, no? Sabihin ko sana, haba ng hair, kaya lang kalbo nga pala. Pero everybody was shocked. Even I myself was so shocked when he landed 4th overall lang dun sa American Idol edition na yon. Nobody expected that. He was the best among the best. Tapos pang-apat lang siya. No? He was eliminated. And then there was 3 that was left when he was eliminated. So making him 4th overall. Saan ka pa? 4th overall, pero he sold millions and millions of copies of his albums and sold out concert tours. Di ba? Ang saya. Okay. So next up we have Bradley Beal of the NBA. He was drafted 3rd overall by the Washington Wizards in the year 2012. But if you ask me, He's the best among his batch player. That is, even up to now, he still plays good. All right. And lastly, Eileen Quinn. Sinong nakakaalala kay Eileen Quinn? Total Friday rewind tayo ngayon, ano? 80s and 90s. She turns 53 today. Yan, napanood ko pa ito noon eh. Yan, Annie, there you go. 1982's Annie. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Yan, that's her, si Eileen Quinn. Okay? So there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. June 28 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And yeah, your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. All right? Call or text me up para sa birthday shoutouts, huh? All right, for the meantime, hey, let's play that Annie song called Tomorrow. All right? And ang kumanta, syempre, the birthday celebrant, Eileen Quinn. Check it out, 895 Subic Bay Radio.